Hello everyone, let's welcome again into the channel. So today in this session we will try to cover one of the important things, that is the virtual onboarding. So now you know that because of the pandemic everyone are working from home. So what the company are doing, so they are doing the joining formality through the virtual process. So today I will tell you like how the virtual process is going on, and I will tell you the live experience about my self, because I recently joined the Wells Fargo, and you know that the location for this Wells Fargo is the Bangalore, Chennai, and the Hyderabad. But I joined this organization for the Bangalore location. So I will tell you like what is the process and all for this company. So first, like before my joining, like my joining on 11th of October. So before this joining, just 2 days before I got the mail, like there's a couple of document, around 6 to 7 document are attached as a zip. So there I need to give the full information, like any of the declaration form, some of the company policies, any of the offer letter whatever they released for the joining, and there's some of the security related things. So every type of document they share, and they need the digital signature. Now you know that in virtually there's everything digital signature is required, and it is digital signature. What you can do is you need one thing, like whatever the signature, you can take a pic of that signature, and after that upload onto the laptop there. And there is so many online tool are available for the PDF editor, so you can attach that image where they want your signature. You can put this one, so this one consider as a your virtual or you can say your digital signature. And now after that, the process wise, like they given us like 9 a.m. is the sharp timing to join through the Zoom link, and there I joined around 9 a.m. and after that they given the 15-minute buffer time, because you know that sometime candidate are not able to join through the network issue or some other issue, so they given the 15-minute as a buffer time to join this session. So after joining this session, I saw around 250 plus people are joined on to the same day. So that is very shocking number, because on to the every week they are this much of people are joining. But when I get to know like this is not only for the one location, these are the all the three location like Hyderabad, Chennai, and the Bangalore. And this one, the combination of all the people, like the contractual and the permanent employee, both are joining onto the same day. So that's why the count will goes around 250 plus. So after that they start like everything are the time being time basis, everything happened. Like there is a session from 9 to 2 p.m. So around 9:30 the session is start. Like the first session took around 20 to 25 days. So there one of the HR guy told us about the company related things, like how the things are going on, what type of document you need to submit, and what information you need to give to the join as a joining formality. After that there is another session happened. There they told us like what type of policy they are following and which type of insurance they are providing to the employee. After that there is a 15-minute break happened, and the next session will go for the innovative section. Like whenever we are working in any of the organization, so every organization are giving the facility, like if you have the innovative idea, you can share in the form of PPT or in the form of some document. So they, if the idea is very good and give the good productivity or good profit in future to the company, then they can recognize you. And they told us like what type of recognition or what type of benefit company are giving if you are giving such type of brilliant idea. And after that there is some of the policy related things, like there's some of the policy like do or don't do it into the office premises, and how you behave well in front of your colleagues and all. So this type of session happen. So every session happen in the time box. So the good thing about this, everything is the time boxed content. So there's a no one session are overlap with the previous or the new or the upcoming session. So that is very impressive thing. So they manage everything in the time box. So sharp 2 p.m. we close the meeting, and that is the overall journey. So that is very great, because there's some of the small session of the Q and answer session is happened, so that is also very great. And overall there's a good experience, because it's a first time for me, and I hope like so many people are joined before me and after me, so they are also feel very happy with the virtual, because there's no much document is required, so everything is virtually. And you also need to carry only the one, or you need to take one software as the online PDF editor, because that will help you a lot, because everything you need to give as a digital signature as a consent. So that is the overall journey. So I hope you like this video, and you will definitely found this information useful in the future perspective. Thank you so much, and soon I will let you know like when I'm going to get the laptop, because as per the session they mentioned like they required 5 to 6 as a working day to send this laptop. And so this is the overall things happen. So whenever I will get the laptop, I will let you know soon. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening this one, and thanks for the support. Yeah, bye.